how to overcome every single possible objection in cold calling for wholesaling real estate. In today's clip, I talk and destroy every single type of objection that you could possibly get in cold calling for wholesaling real estate, and I show you how to overcome it. But before we get into it, guys, remember, you need to smash that like button and subscribe to the most value from me, and let's get in the video.
That was an objection. Okay. I have an objections list here.
Bro, hit me with anyone. I'll get them right now.
All right. So I know they really fall into like, I know it's 4 categories. It's like what? It's like either a yes, plutonic no, a test, or a rejection, pretty much. But not interested. I'm not interested.
Okay. Well, give me a call back whenever you're interested and tell me how it is. I appreciate it. Have a great day.
Boom.
You're not talking to people that are allergic to peanut butter to buy sell peanut butter. They're not interested in selling the property. I'm not here to do it. I'm not selling a Miami Dolphins jersey to a Bills fan. Okay, it ain't just gonna work. It's not gonna work.
Yeah. Straight shooter. I don't have time.
Time for what?
I don't have time to speak.
Okay, well, what's a good time for you to speak? I can give you a call, talk anytime. I'm up early. I can be up late. Let me know.
And then where is it? What, you make me an offer first.
Okay, well, I would love to give you an offer first, but let me ask you one question before I give that offer. Okay, Khalil? Khalil, have you ever bought in a car?
Yeah.
Do you test drive the car before you bought it?
Yeah.
Would you buy a car without test driving it?
No.
Now, why would I buy a house without actually looking in it? I can't really give you an offer right now, Khalil, unless I actually go inside the property and look at it, because I got to see. Now, Khalil, I trust you, but as you know, in Florida, especially in Broward, especially with hurricanes hitting everything, I just got to look at the house. I got to see how the condition of the property is. How's the AC? How's the roof? Are you an expert with ACs or roofs? Because I've dealt with a lot of them, and some people might think it's okay. I just got to look at it, I would probably have to go look at the house. Is it okay if I look by the house before I give you an offer? Because honestly, I got to test drive the house.
Okay. Cannot. Okay. All right. So, all right, I'll keep that one. Test drive.
See how I say this with confidence?
Yeah.
If I say that without confidence, you would have bulldozed me. Confidence.
Swagger.
It's not swagger or ego, man. I'm just confident because I know I've never legitimately given an offer in a house without looking at it.
Yeah, I've and then interesting enough, I've had I've actually ran into probably some buyers. I've ran into quite a few cash buyers on the phone at my job. Because
Nice.
that's pretty much all I get. Is I just bought a new house, so I get to see all the movement. But let me see. What was the other one? Firm. I'm pretty firm on the price.
Okay. Well, if you're firm on that price, have you considered listing with a realtor? Also, you should ask them too. Okay, so if you're firm on that $100,000 price, so let me get my phone out. Yeah, I'm pretend like I'm talking to someone in person. So you're firm on that $100,000 price, Mr. Seller, right? So Khalil, if you're firm at $100,000, would you say if you listed on the market and someone offered you $100,000, you would take that? Usually they say yes. I said this yesterday on my call. Like, okay, so if you list on the market, you'd pay 6%, probably $3,000 in closing. That means you'd net $91,000. So you're willing to take at least 91 if it was cash then. Well, yeah. That's how I get them down on price from there. Boom.
Okay. 250. What number do you have? Well, any number. 250. Then they have what? Then they have closing costs.
So 250 minus 94% of that, or 6%. Of course, realtor's commission.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then that's what they would actually net.
Yep. And then they'd be like, well, that's true. I'd probably take that then. Okay, so you're not 100% firm on 100.
Okay. Okay, I see. That there was the to shift them off of being firm of their response. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh, this sounds like a scam.
Okay, what's a part of a scam? I'm looking to buy your property.
Right.
I have the funds to purchase it. Would you like? I can give you my driver's license if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, my name's Zach. I went to John. I went to whatever. I went to what Plantation High School. Like I'll give you my information. Like I went to Fort Lauderdale High School. Go L's. Like I do the whole thing. How it's honest. I'm born and raised here. Talk about the whole thing, man.
Okay. Let's see.
And if this is a scam, I can always meet you in person. We can meet at a Starbucks, so you can call me at a different number. Let me know.
Okay. Me in person. Okay. Like, I don't know how I would go about that one.
Which one?
This is a scam.
Well, this is a scam. You don't have to talk. I'm just looking to buy the house. Like, that's it.
Yeah, no, I ran funny enough, I ran into two of those. Is this a scam?
Well, I've been asked that too. I just say, hey, look up Zach Ginn on the public records, and you can see I have 10 deeds signed last month. And then they look it up, and I signed 10 deeds last month in St. Lucie County. So, like, I'm not going to say that to you because I don't think it's a good one for you to use because you probably haven't signed deeds, but that's what I use. Nobody cares. Like, honestly, they just say that just throw you off.
Test.
So it doesn't matter half the time.
Okay, I think those are my biggest. That's like my biggest objection lists. Let's see. Oh, how did you get my number?
Well, our marketing department usually gets it, so I can ask them. They just help me out finding properties. Yeah. Good cop, bad cop. Marketing department, they're evil, not me.
Good cop.
There's some good ones. What is it? I never advertised my property. How did you know that I'm selling? Well, I don't know you're selling. That's why I'm asking you. What's special about my property? I don't know. Can you tell me about your house? I can go all day with it, Like, you ask me anything, I can confidently tell you it. Like, I'm just here to buy a house. So
having those counters, that's the I think that's what that's the biggest thing I think for everybody is just to have those counters in your pocket when somebody says something and you have something set to come back at it with.
Yeah.
That's I think that's what actually builds the confidence. Being able to go over that and figure those things out. Those are my
yeah. Khalil, how do you get my number?
My marketing department ended up getting it for me.
Okay. How do you know I'm looking to sell my house?
How'd you? I don't know. I'm actually just giving you a call. Are you looking to sell it?
Yes, that's why I was asking if you knew. Are you a realtor?
Yeah. Oh no.
Okay.
No, not at all. We actually I do some investing here and there, and we pay cash for house. I actually ended up paying cash for houses.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, man, you just got to confidently answer the question.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, I think that's a big one. I think that a lot of people would like to try to have something for. I want. Well, let's see. Mm, those are pretty much my solid ones there. Hold on, let's see. Is there anything else that I had here on acquisitions? Because I know this is about acquisitions today.
Let me know. I mean, we're just going over that. Obviously, on the appointment, you're going to talk to somebody and, try to get a contract, man. Get the closing lines in and go after it.
Yeah. I had it wrote down the four. It was are you the owner? Interested? Are you interested? What's the condition? What's the time frame? What's the price? And then is it you said Ford or Ford, right?
Ford, FORD, family, occupation, recreation, dreams.
All right. Okay. Yeah, I had heard of something like that before. I think it was form with motivations instead of, or same thing. So, okay. Kind of put that structure into everything. But that, let's see, pretty solid there with the structure. So, I think I have a pretty strong verbal game now. I have a good understanding of what I want to do. I haven't sent any contracts yet. I have not sent a single contract. I don't have an LLC. All I have is prop stream and a skip tracer.
Up your marketing, bro. That's it.
Yeah.
We can talk forever. You just got to up that marketing and get it going.
Okay. So bigger list, more marketing. What else? Oh, I don't even have a buyer's list. I don't have a buyer's list.
Go to Facebook, bro. Go to freewholesaling.com. Learn how to pull the Broward County Facebook REI group and get after it.
Yeah. I was thinking of just skip tracing, just my Broward County, just the zip code here, and just trying to skip trace the buyers and talk to them. This is a lot to do. I mean, I work full time, so I pretty much have between like, honestly, because I'm on the phone, and I'm at home, so of course I could be on my phone, I could text and stuff like that. So I could have somebody text the leads. I'd only be able to give them a call or get on the phone with them after 4:00, and I would love to leave Xfinity.
Oh, you got it. Up to marketing and go from there. That's all I could say.
Yeah. Marketing. Okay. And then proof of funds. I think that was another one.
Okay.
It's POF.
It's how confident you are in the conversation will determine if you need proof of funds or not.
You need POF.
You get asked proof of funds if you're not confident in your conversations.
Okay. And earnest money deposit.
$100. Go through freewholesaling.com, man. It's all in there. $100. Just go through it, man. It'll show you it all, and that's all I can say.
I've been through it.
Okay, yeah, and the contract module, $100 earnest money deposit. So,
$100.
No.
All right, and then, wow. So let's say I don't have no LLC.
You don't need an LLC. I got my first 2 deals on LLC.
Yeah. And I think the next thing, my next thing, damn, my next thing is just to get to work.
Bro, we can talk about this for hours. Get to work, man.
That's all I need to do is get to work.
Bro, that's it. You'll learn more from getting to work than any conversation we have. I promise you.
So I think I'm pretty clear on what I want to do. Well, I guess I'm pretty clear on how I want to go about talking to them. I guess I just need to I guess for me personally, I just need to get better at building lists. But as far as my acquisitions game, I think he just gave me the best thing that I could possibly have gotten in this thing.
Bro, I'm here every week, man. Thanks. All right, we got Khalil on there. He's working on it, guys. Thank you so much for watching that video today. If you want more free value for wholesaling real estate, remember to smash that like button and subscribe. Guys, if you want to join the best wholesaling real estate mentorship in the planet and join the wholesaling course that has the most people in it in the history of the world for wholesaling real estate, go to freewholesaling.com. It's free. There's no gimmicks. There's no upsells in this course. It is an absolute free wholesaling course. I've been told to charge thousands and thousands of dollars for it. I give it out for free. So like this video and subscribe. Join the movement for wholesaling real estate and go to freewholesaling.com and join my Wholesaling Houses for Real Facebook group. That is the largest mastermind in the country of like-minded wholesaling entrepreneurs who want to get connected absolutely for free and learn wholesaling real estate. Guys, I'll hope to see you there. Thank you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Have a blessed one.